one that shifts our whole understanding from just a simple transaction with God to a radical transformation of the human heart.
Actually, scratch that. It's more like the prayer itself is the natural overflow of a life and a heart that has literally been refined by the fire of suffering.
Which brings us to section 2, Job's ultimate test. Sadly, it got worse. A spiritual pastor literally told them, "You didn't submit to your husband, that's why you were in this state."
And here's another huge blow from a former pastor who claimed it's because you left our church that this suffering happened.
Step 3, taking the incredibly hard step to forgive. And finally, step 4, actually praying for those offenders. Instead of obsessing over how they were wronged.
True freedom is having a heart that is no longer bound by bitterness.
Instead, he leads you gently and step by step toward true forgiveness.
Which brings us to our final thought today. It's about a heart transformed by the fire, capable of grace in the absolute face of betrayal. Will you seek God's kingdom first and leave the rest in His hands?